Cutting height is particularly important when we're thinking about our grass silage. Our aim is for top quality silage production. One of the issues we're going to have is at the butt of the sward here is the soil contamination, and also we've got dead leaves and decaying material in there. So we want to think about our cutting height, and we want a cutting height around about 5 or 6 centimetres minimum. That'll keep that rubbish away from the grass when we come to harvest it. When we come to row up and pick up with the forager, it'll keep that out of the material, which is what we're after. So 5 or 6 centimetres, as you can see here, will also help with regrowth when we come to our subsequent cuts later in the season too. Tedding and wilting is an area that we need to focus on for all silage crops, but particularly with multi-cut, where we're taking a lot lusher cut of grass. And what we're trying to do is get to our target dry matter at harvest of around about 30% dry matter as quickly as possible. So in the field, what we need to do is, as soon as we've mown the grass, is follow straight in with the tedder and get the grass spread out. And the reason for that is that if we can do that, then we open up more surface area to lose moisture. As soon as the grass is cut, it's got the opportunity to lose 100 litres per tonne of fresh grass per hour, but only for 2 hours. So we've got a small window to get the best response from our wilting, really. Our target dry matter for harvesting is 30% dry matter. Grass is harvested, is mown at around about 16% dry matter. So using the wilting process and tedding process can help us get to that target in a quick space of time and achieve more nutrients into the silage clump. There are some pitfalls with late season grass and also with the multi-cut system. We've got to be careful of nitrogen levels from applied fertiliser and also slurry that we've probably applied throughout the season. We can do a grass test to look at nitrogen levels, and we can also get this dry matter increased as quickly as possible to assist with the fermentation. Low sugar levels in our grass at this time of the year can be a problem. The way to get around this is to increase the dry matter through our wilting process. The more moisture we've got in the grass, the more intensive the fermentation has got to be. So we want to alleviate that and assist the fermentation by increasing the dry matter, which is important to get this grass wilted, target 30% dry matter to assist with that fermentation.